USDCAD, let's have a look at USDCAD. Okay, so on a 1 hour time frame right here, we're basically looking at this zone just here. Let's look at the candlestick formation right now. Let's look at how we have a V-shaped correction. I'll just draw this on. We have a V-shaped correction like this. The price goes up, it pulls back, goes up, does a final push up, and then comes down. Now, what usually happens after you get this bear trap is a big move down, followed by a continuation pattern. Now, this is what we were trying to trade the other day with the bear flag on New Zealand CAD. So, USD CAD should complete this bear flag and then just follow that same move all the way down to target. I'll get rid of some of this stuff on the screen so that you guys have a chance to replicate the charts. But if you have a look here, again, look for this curve, because this curve is also a signal. You see where the price curves like that? I'm going to show you this on 2 charts now. Where the price curves like that, that is your major resistance. So that should be your next sell point. Notice how I've got my risk reward right here. That's where we're waiting for, because most people are going to be waiting to look for sells around this region. Okay, but they're going to get spiked out with this same move again, a mini bear trap up to that signal. Okay, so this is why I've highlighted that circle there. I'll go back